Jai Hind students, this is Sonali Mangal. Today I am going to tell you a brief summary of the chapter Birth in class 11th Snapshots. This chapter deals with how medical practitioners use their knowledge and presence of mind to deal with life-threatening emergencies situations. So, here begins the outline of the story. It was nearly midnight. Dr. Andrew Manson found Joe Morgan waiting for him when he reached home. Joe Morgan was a coal miner who was having a child after 20 years of marriage. His wife was expecting a child after 20 years of marriage and she needed immediate medical help. Both of them set out for Morgan's house. Mrs. Morgan's mother and the nurse stood beside the patient. Andrew had to make a choice after the birth of the child to save the child or perform his duty towards the child's mother to save her life too. This was his dilemma. He gave the child to the nurse and turned her attention towards Suzanne Morgan. Suzanne lay collapsed, almost pulseless. The doctor injected the medicine and, after some frantic efforts, left her out of danger. Then he asked for the child. The nurse felt no pulse, so she kept the baby amidst old newspapers. He was pulled out of the newspapers. He was a boy, perfectly formed. His body was white and soft like a wax toy. The child was suffering from asphyxia, a disease which occurs due to the lack of oxygen. So, what did Andrew here do? Andrew ordered for hot and cold water basins. There were two water basins, and he went on plunging the child first in the hot, then in the cold, first in the hot, and then in the cold water. 15 minutes passed, nothing better happened. He was thinking that I have been defeated. However, he went on rubbing the child with a rough towel. He kept crushing and releasing the little chest with both of his hands. A miracle took place. The child gave a short heave. He was gasping now deeper and deeper. His skin turned pink and then the child started crying. Andrew gave the child to the nurse and came out of the room. Outside stood Joe. He was slightly relieved. Both the mother and the child were safe and sound. So this is the summary. Hope you have liked the story and how the doctor struggled and did not lose his hope. You also should follow the same in your life. Thank you.